Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start on the app page, so open Google Play and navigate directly to the exact app you intend to share. Tap the three-dot menu or the share icon at the top. That reveals the sharing menu. Once the menu appears, choose Share App, then select a method. Copy link for manual pasting, messages or email for direct send, or nearby share for local transfer. Do this now so you have the app link ready, and make sure the target device or recipient app is available. Once you have the share menu, decide how to deliver the app. Copying the Play Store link gives flexibility. Send it in any chat or post. If the recipient is nearby, pick Nearby Share, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi if required, then accept the device prompt to transfer quickly without data. Alternatively, choose email or a messenger app when you want to include notes or installation steps. Each method is fast. Pick the one matching your recipient's convenience and connectivity. Finish by confirming the recipient can open the Play Store link and tap Install. Make sure they're signed into Google if necessary. If Nearby Share won't connect, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, ensure location and Nearby Share permissions are granted, then retry. That fixes most issues. If problems persist, send the copied link over SMS or email as a reliable fallback. Once they confirm installation starts, you're done. And remember, copying the link is the universal fallback when other.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.